Hello guys, welcome to my channel one more time. Thanks for always checking on us. Today I want to make SLES, Texapon, and in this video we need hot water. You can see our hot water in this kettle. We need a digital scale to get the accurate measurement. We need bowls. Like this bowl now is weighing 14 grams. We need a sodium sulphate, and also we need SLS rice, not the powder but the rice form. So this is all we need, and we also need water already. So let's go right into the video. Okay. Alright, this bowl is weighing 14 grams, and what I need is 161 grams of sodium sulphate. So I'm going to add 161 grams of sodium sulphate with 14 grams already, which means I should pour in sodium sulphate until I have 175 grams. So let's go. That's 160 grams already. So I will be adding more until I have 175 grams of sodium sulphate. Just a little more. Now we have 175 grams of sodium sulphate. So I put this down. Then we are going to measure also for SLS. For SLS rice, I need 267 grams of SLS. Okay, so this bowl is weighing 14 grams. And I need 267 grams of SLS. So I'm going to be pouring in until I have 281 grams of SLS here. So let's go. 281. So you can see that the SLS is floater. It does not have as much weight as the sodium sulphate that we have. So what I have in here is 262 grams of SLS. 262 grams of SLS. That's what I have here, as against 281 grams of SLS. Right, so I'm going to reduce a little from this sodium sulphate just to balance the volume of SLS that we have. Alright, so this is now around 50 grams of water approximately. I'm going to pour it right into this big bowl. It's hot water. It's what we need for this production. It's hot water. So I have 950 grams of water here, almost 60 kg. I'm going to add more to it later, but for now, this is what I've got. Alright, so we dissolve our sodium sulphate in this hot water. Dissolve sodium sulphate in this hot water. This is hot water, so it will be fast. You can see that some particles of SLS are inside the sodium sulphate already. They're packing. Not a problem, since it's the same ingredients we are using. So dissolve this completely. Dissolve it very well. If you have a hand mixer, it's good. If you have a whisker, it's also good. If you have a stick or spatula, it's also good. Whatever can allow you to mix and allow the ingredients to dissolve very well is what you need. So you can improvise whatever is suitable for you to use. So I can see that the sodium sulphate has completely dissolved. So I'm going to be adding my SLS and stirring. Although this is going to take some time to dissolve, since I'm using hot water, we can stir it after a while, then we cover it and allow it to soak very well. So in that case, it will just dissolve fast. So you stir it a bit and allow it to soak. When it's soaked and you stir, it will dissolve very, very fast. So what we are making is SLES, which is Texapon, homemade Texapon, not the industrial Texapon. I know in the industrial process there are other things that may be added to it and a lot more steps involved, but this is the homemade steps. Just your sodium sulphate and SLS is mixed together. So you stir it very well. Stir it very well. Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for always stopping by. Thanks for clicking on this video. Please, if this is your first time of watching or you have been watching without subscribing, please do us a favor, subscribe to our channel and turn on your post notification so that anytime we post a new video, you'll be able to see it among the first set of people to see our videos. We have a lot of videos on our channel. You can also visit the channel. You can see videos on liquid soap, liquid antiseptic, Izal, Dettol, toilet wash, bleach, dye cleaner. We have a lot of products: shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, even bath soaps for washing, bath soap for bathing. You can visit us on the channel to see all of those videos that we have made before now. And you can see, okay, look at this, it's dissolving gradually. So you keep stirring, and after a while I'm going to leave it and cover it, allow it to dissolve completely. So now we are going to allow it to dissolve, cover it, and we allow it to dissolve on its own. So I said I will be adding more water to it. At this point I'm going to add more water and then we allow it to dissolve. So the quantity of water you are adding depends on how thick it is and how thick you want it to be. So I think this is just okay. I'll stir again very well, and then I will allow it to soak and swell up, so it will be easy to dissolve on its own. So that is it. We are going to return back to this product in maybe a few minutes time. So thank you. Alright, so we left it for about an hour, and this is what we have. Want to see, okay, this is beautiful. You can see that it has really dissolved. All the SLS has dissolved, so you can see how it is now. You can mix it together once again, and I'm thinking that this is too thick. So, but I'm not going to add water. I will not add water to it. I'm going to mix it very well again, and then leave it till tomorrow. Then we see the final product of this Texapon formed. Alright guys, so please soliciting for you to join our membership. Our membership is on now with serious, wonderful, beautiful perks for you, exclusive videos for members only. You can request your personal training on any of the products that we have made on the channel. You can ask questions and interact with us. You can chat directly with us, you know, as a member of this group. So join our membership and you stand to enjoy all those personal, you know, benefits as a member of this group. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like this video, and share it to your friends. And let's grow this channel together. Thank you. Like the video, please subscribe, share to your friends, and see you again by tomorrow when this Texapon would have, really transformed to the final stage. Thank you. Alright guys, this is the end product of our Texapon when we kept it overnight. So you can see how thick it is. So thick. So you can use this Texapon to make shower gel. You can use this Texapon to make shower gel. You can make it to use. You can use it to make a shampoo. You can use it to make. They form the basis of any kind of soap that you want to make, liquid soap and the likes. See it, very thick and nice, beautiful.